Hello everyone, today we will discuss the numerical of this chapter student. There is question number 9 is given in your exercise student. It is if bromine is available as two isotopes. It is the first isotopes that have the percentage 49.7 and it is the second is bromine and its percentage is 50.3. So find the average atomic mass of bromine. So how will we find student this? First we will write the percentage of bromine with mass number 79. So with the help of this we can know the mass number student, because here the mass number is 79 in this case, in this isotopes with 79 and what is 8? 49.7%. Next is the percentage of bromine with mass number 81, with 81 mass number, and what is it? It is 50.3%. 50.3% student. So what is asked? Find the average atomic mass. So average atomic mass, the average atomic mass will be 49.7 multiplied by 79 plus 50.3 multiplied by 81 and divided by 100. So with the help of this we can find the average atomic mass of the bromine if their isotopes have these percentage. So now we will calculate it student, and with the help of that we can get the average atomic mass. So in the first calculation, in this 49.7 multiplied by 79, what we get student? We get 3926.3, and in the second we will get student 4074.3 divided by 100. Now when we will add it student, then what we will get? We will get 80.006, and what is it? It is the atomic mass of the bromine if its bromine isotope of if its isotopes have these percentage. So in this way we will calculate or we will find the average atomic mass if the masses are given, atomic masses are given, means their isotopes are given in percentage. So with this we will get. Now we will discuss. Yes student, now we will discuss the question number 18. Complete the following table. In this table student, the properties that are given, like the atomic number is given, mass number is given, number of neutron is given, number of proton is given, number of electron, and name of the atomic species is given. With this there are some quantities are filled in the table, but some quantities are not filled. So we will fill all those quantities that are not filled in this. First we will try to understand that what are the atomic number, mass number. So what is atomic number student? Atomic number, the number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom is known as atomic number, and they are represented by small z. What is mass number student? The sum of the number of proton and the neutron is known as mass number. What is the number of neutron? Student, when we subtract the mass number of proton from the mass number, then we get the number of neutron. And neutrons are present in the nucleus with proton, and together they are known as nucleon, student. Next is number of electron. Number of electron. What are the electrons? Electrons are the negatively charged subparticles of the atom, and they are found in the energy levels. Name of the atomic species means all the atoms have their name. So in this we will fill the name. So first is 9, and in this the 9 is given and this 10 is given, number of neutron is given. So mass number we will try to find out, number of proton we will try to find out, number of electron we will try to find out. So first we will write the number of proton, because atomic number is always equal to the number of proton. So what is it? It is 9. And in the number of electron, as you know that the electrons are always equal to the proton, because the atom is a neutral species. So what we write here, it is also 9. Now what we will try to find out, we will try to find out the mass number. And what is the mass number, student? It is the sum of proton and neutron. And what is it? It is 19. And this 9 atomic number or 19 mass number atomic species is known as fluorine. So what is it? It is fluorine. We write here fluorine. Next is, student, it is atomic number is given here. What is it? It is 16. Mass number is given here. It is 32. Number of neutron is not given in this. Number of proton is not given in this, and number of electron is not given. So easily we will write the number of proton here, but it is always equal to the atomic number. So what is it? It is 16. And as we are looking here that it is neutral species, so it is electron is also 16. Now what we will do, we will try to find out the number of neutron. How we find the number of neutron, student? When we subtract it, means when we subtract the number of proton from the mass number, then we get the number of neutron. And what is it? It is also 16. Next is, it is 24. It is 24. Mass number is given in this, and number of proton is given in this. Number of electron is not given. Name of the atomic species is also not given. So first we will get the number of proton here. Number of proton is given. So with the help of the number of the proton, we get the atomic number. What is it? It is 12. So number of the protons are 12. So what will be here? It is also 12. Here the number of neutron, if we will subtract it by the 24 by the 12, then what we get? We get the 12. Number of electron, as it is the neutral species, that's why we can write here 12, number of electron. And this 12 atomic number is for magnesium, student. So we write here magnesium. Next is mass number is given here, number of proton is given here. So number of proton is 1, so we write here 1. In this, number of neutron is also 1, student. So we can say that it is the isotope of hydrogen, and number of electron is also 1, student. But it is the isotope of hydrogen, and which isotope it is? It is the deuterium, because its mass number is 2 and it is deuterium. So we write here deuterium. It is the isotope of hydrogen, student, because its atomic number is 1 but its mass number is 2, and it is represented like this. Next is here the atomic number is not given, mass number is given here, number of neutron is 0 here, number of proton is given 1. Number of proton is given 1 here, student. So what is it? It is, its atomic number is 1 again, and number of neutron is here 0. So we can say that it is protium. Protium. That is the isotope of hydrogen, and here the mass number is also 1 and the atomic number is also 1. So it is protium. So in this way we get the number of proton, electron, neutron and mass number. So thank you very much and have a nice day.